Hi guys, I'm Mette and you're watching Slikhaar TV. Today I'm here with Jimmy and we're going to do something a bit different today. It includes some crazy colors, so are you up for it?
Yes.
Let's do it. First I'm starting by using the 6mm skirt to get some of the hair off. And then I'll go in with the 4mm just to create a small fade.
Hi, my name is Jimmy. I'm 22 years old. I'm a makeup artist and I study engineering at Aarhus University.
So now I'm going to cut the back together with the top, and then I'm going to keep a lot of the length in the front and make a small undercut from the ears and forward just to get that sassy look. Now I'm mixing the bleach. 1 part bleach to 1.5 part of developer. Don't forget to use your gloves because you need to protect yourself. First I'm applying it to the mid shaft because we don't want to burn his scalp. Now I'm putting a bag on his head just to keep the bleach working, because it won't if it dries out. After 30 to 45 minutes, I'll mix some new bleach and then I'll put it in his scalp so it will lift evenly. Now I'm washing out the bleach. I'll start with a normal shampoo first and then I'll use a silver shampoo just to pre-tone his hair a bit. So first I am applying Prepare to Jimmy's hair so the fun part can begin. So today I'm doing a split color, pink and turquoise. But remember, when you're playing with crazy colors, it will stain the skin. So use some kind of barrier. Here I'm using wax. I'm getting a little help from my assistant Louise. She's just separating the hair so it won't mix in color. So here you see I'm combing it through. It's just to get the color everywhere and get every hair strand covered. After 30 minutes we'll rinse out the hair, and it's very important to rinse until the water is clear again. Now I'm shampooing the hair twice with color shampoo. Afterwards I'm applying a product called Lock. It helps the color stick to the hair longer, and it has to be on for 5 minutes. After rinsing out, I'm applying the Sidekick so we can start styling the hair. I'm just using my fingers so we can get a more messy look. After blow drying the hair, I'm using by Vilain POWERMADE because it has a lot of shine to it, so I know the colors will pop a bit more. But be gentle because his scalp is very sensitive. Okay guys, so this is the final result. What do you think about this hairstyle?
I love it.
Okay guys, so write in the comments down below what you think about this hairstyle. Remember to like the video and be a subscriber, then you can win 3 nice by Vilain hair products. See you guys next time.